Hello WordPress website creators. In the last video, we created this amazing and super modern and super creative website for photography or videography services. Now, let us assume this website is complete and the website owners is willing to rank this website, to show this website on the top of search results of search engines like Google, Yahoo, or whatever. So the SEO is a thing which is a required step when you are planning to promote your website, you are planning to rank your website on the search engine result pages. That is called SERP, right? So when we are talking about SEO, it bit sounds technical and you might not be very much comfortable when we are planning you are planning to go for SEO and you need agency support for that. But it is not like this when you have the WordPress website. So there are many solutions we have already discussed on this channel for SEO activities for the WordPress website, and I got a very wonderful solution for smart SEO. We can say the smart and effective SEO. Here it is, and it is SmartCrawl. So first thing, this solution is coming from a very expert developers of WordPress, WPMUDEV. So if you are a WordPress developer, you well know this name. And this is a very effective SEO plugins. And if you focus on the slogan that has been used here on the official website of SmartCrawl, anyone can use. So it is definitely easy to use solution that you can use as go-to tool for SEO, site health, uh, with audits, auto fixes, and easy optimization tool. So I'm going to add the link of the official website in the video description, where you can get all these details. You can read all these things like SEO crawler, SEO scan, and reports you can have with this SEO health and audit reports, automatic integrated linkings, white label ready to use for your clients. Okay, so if you are a developer, it is going to be helpful. Location based redirects and tool, and you can check all these pricing and all. And features, if you are talking about the features, so it has the smart features like sitemap, every type of sitemap covered automatically, linking, and the reports. So you can also have this solution for free. This solution is also available for free. We will check. So I have this backend, and first of all, I'll check whether this plugin is available for free. However, I have already installed the pro one, but I just wish to check Smart CRAWL Smart Crawl if it is available for free. Yes. So to begin with, you can go with the free version, but of course, the pro version is going to give you all the access that you actually need for your WordPress website. So as of now, it has got 20,000 plus installation, and it is being regularly updated by the developer. And who are the developer? WPMUDEV. So this is all in one WordPress platform solution. And yes, so basically we are targeting the SEO activities. So what we can get for free? SEO checker, content analysis, SEO optimizer, rank higher on search engine with 301 redirect, XML sitemaps, one-click setup. Okay, great. So the thing is that I'm willing to show you the pro version, and here it is. And I just click on the SmartCrawl Pro navigation link, and at the dashboard, it is showing the quick setup. So I'll set up this SmartCrawl Pro SEO plugin so that we may understand what actually it does, how really it is working. So let us go with the on-screen predefined setups, and on the toggle button we have SEO and readability analysis. The sitemaps we can enable or disable. The robots.txt, open graph and xcards. So enhance how your post and pages look when shared on X, Facebook. So this is open graphs, and I believe you know all these terms. And if not, please uh, write in the comment section. I'll make a separate video on these terminologies. share anonymous uses. Okay, so it is okay. Good. So we can get started, and it is working automatically and all done. Please hold on. Okay. So the first step can be to run the test, run a new SEO audit to see what needs improving. SEO audit site maps links are here and SEO audits. So let us go for running the test and let us see the results, how it works. Titles and metas are here, site maps. So it is running the test, and I believe it will take a while depending upon your number of pages, the post you have, and everything that you need to optimize in terms of search engine optimization. And it is refreshing the data, and now it got 100% SEO score. Excellent. Your site is fully optimized. That is very good. So this is just a demo site. This may be a reason. So I have yet not uploaded the data. So first thing I can say, the desktop and mobile test screens are different. And what have been tested here? Document title had element. The document had meta description. Links have descriptive text. Document has valid uh, H reference language, and the document has valid relative. So these are the technical terms which has already been tested, and we can expand these all to understand what actually it is. So but everything is green, so we don't need to go for anything. The lighthouse structure data audit is manual, so it does not affect the lighthouse SEO score. Okay, that is fine. So structured data is valid, so we can have the testing tool here. So this is the rich result test, and testing the live URL can be here. So this is Google test actually, search.google.com/test.rich-results. So this is the test. So you can go directly here, but it is linked to the plugin as well, right? If we check about the mobile, so this is here again, it is 100%. So both got 100% for my this particular installation. So content audits has been done, the indexing audits and responsive audits has been done. And if we talk about the reporting, so reporting is here, and the settings, and the settings screen what we have, so desktop widget or the mobile. So I think this is very simple and clear, and the desktop dashboard is really very intuitive, and all has been done automatically. I have yet not done anything, just installed the plugin and followed the steps. Next is we have the title and meta that I can check what it brings for us. Like this is home page, and your home page is set to a static page. That is fine. So title and meta can be modified here. Description and the open graph further, and you have need to fill all the details uh, when you are optimizing the page. Of course, indexing, follow, archive, snippet, and it is very simple. Again, post types. So these are the post types. You can control the post types, which for which post type you are optimizing your website, enable X card or indexing status. Like we have pages, so we can control everything what need to be indexed exactly, the media, the templates. So sometimes we don't want to index the template on the search engine results. So this is the control that we can have. Floating elements, depending upon the theme functionalities, it will come to your installation, but the pages and post media items are common thing that you'll get, right? Taxonomy you can control, like uh, how you want to show taxonomies and archives, and further we have settings, so the separator, character lengths and all. This is very good. Schema, which is generally not available in the plugins, SEO plugins for free. I'm not sure whether it is free or not, so since I am using the pro version. But yes, we can set the schema here, which is a technically required thing. So to set up the schema, whether for post or pages, and what can be the output page like home page and all. Okay, so instant indexing is another feature that we can activate. So notify the search engine like Bing, Yandex via Index Now API with whenever the pages are added or updated. So this is very important feature when you are updating or adding the pages or posts regularly. The social navigation gives us to enable and disable the open graph or the X cards like on Twitter. Basically, X is here. The Pinterest verification, and further we have settings. And the advanced tools option gives us the automatic linking, and we can activate configure a smart crawl to automatically link certain keywords to a page to your blog. So we can say this interlinking, which is going to be happen automatically. URL redirection, modes, robots.txt editor, and the breadcrumbs. And we can activate the breadcrumbs as well. Okay. The sitemaps, which is another important thing from the SEO perspective. So this is very important, I must tell you. So sitemap is generated and it can be seen here directly for the particular website. It is being handled by the plugin now. But when we are configuring the sitemaps, it is very important to select what actually we want to include in the sitemap. Like switch to WP core sitemap. This is the option. But when you are using the plugin, it is good to go with this sitemap generated by plugin. So only include those things that you want to crawl or show on the search engines. By default, it is all on, but Google generally does not honors to index all these things like portfolio, service, event, floating elements. Definitely, you don't need the tags. You may not, or the service category, event category. So it totally depends on your content, how you want to enable the indexing for those content. So enable the same thing for the sitemap as well. Further, we have new sitemap option. New sitemap, if your uh, website showing news, the crawler option like a smart crawl checks the broken URLs for not for or the multiple redirections. So it may be harmful. So you need to begin the crawl or reporting. So you can enable the reporting, and further we have settings. So sitemap structure can be set here. Okay, this is again great. And further we have final settings. So what we want to enable for the complete plugin. So SEO analysis, readability analysis, title meta, schema, instant indexing. So we can enable and disable things that we want to have, right? And we have import analysis like content, wide, all, and admin bar, meta tags, and search engine. So I'll show you one post, how it looks on the post page. So when we are like, this is meta tag, and when we add title is here, the title description is good, and so it is showing the status, what needs to be improved. And when we are editing the post, so it should be here, I believe. Okay, so it is not exactly here. That is fine. So it is handled automatically, I believe. So all is good, and I feel we can do much of the things here directly, and it is going to help us in optimizing our website in terms of SEO, because most of the things are automatic. So it can be a very good option when you are not having any technical hand, or you are not uh, willing to spend much of your time on SEO activities. All things are going to be automatically here, almost all. And the SmartCrawl Pro is a good option in terms of SEO for your WordPress website. You can start with 3 as I shown you. And in the next video, okay, so all varied. In the next video, I'm bringing more solutions for your wonderful and dream WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.